What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media and V-Flat World. I'm in my studio today with my friend Taylor, and we're shooting a portrait using some mirrors and some V-Flat. So let me go ahead and explain what we have going on. For this shot, we're using 3 mirrors, 3 V-Flats. We're even using the bags for that the V-Flats come in, just to kind of flag some stuff out so we don't get reflections that we don't want. So let me go ahead and explain what we have. We'll start with the mirrors first. So we've got 2 mirrors behind her, kind of angled at a 45-degree angle, and then 1 more mirror underneath here that kind of acts as some fill, not just light fill, but also fill with just a reflection as well. Now let's jump onto the V-Flat. So we've got 2 V-Flats on the side here. What that does is that's gonna flag off any unwanted reflections that the mirrors might create from just anything in this room. And then finally, we've got another V-Flat in the back that's acting as the background. Our lights, we've got a Profoto A2 with a 2.7 click octa just as our key light. That's looking really good because what that does, that hits those back mirrors. It's gonna bounce back. It's gonna act almost as a little bit of rim light and hair light. While also being the key light as well. So finally, we've got a A2 with a blue gel just on the ground, bounced up. It's also got a 20-degree grid on there that just kind of creates a nice blue cast on the background just to add some color interest to the shot. So with all that combined, we get a shot that looks like this. Oh yeah, we have a fan for hair movement. So with all of that combined, we have a shot that looks like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and follow V-Flat World. Check them out online at vflatworld.com. If you want to see any more of my work, check me out on Instagram at ReadyLightMedia or nextlevelworkshops.com. And I'll see you next time.